Today, I'm showing you how to delete all your unwanted Facebook posts in just one click. Let's get started. Step 1. Log in to Facebook. First, open Facebook and log into your account on your phone or computer. Step 2. Access Settings. Tap the menu icon, the three horizontal lines, then tap Settings or the gear icon. Step 3. Open Activity Log. Scroll down until you find Activity Log under your Facebook Information section. Tap on it. Step 4. Manage your posts. You'll see several options here. Look for Your Facebook Activity or Your Posts and tap on it. Then, tap on the Manage Posts option below the Post option. This shows all your photos, videos, text posts, and status updates. Step 5. Filter your posts. Optional. If you want to delete specific posts, you can use these filters. For example, select posts from a certain year or posts shared with specific audiences. Step 6. Select all posts. Tap Select All or manually check the post you want to delete. Once selected, you'll see the option Move to Trash at the bottom. Step 7. Delete everything. Tap Move to Trash and confirm your choice. All selected posts will be deleted instantly and moved to your trash folder. Important note: posts in trash are permanently deleted after 30 days. If you change your mind, you can restore them within that time period. And that's it. You successfully deleted all your unwanted Facebook posts in just one click.